Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. Now before I get into the video, I do want to say I already have the Apple Watch Series 4, and there is not a difference between these two in regards to what's actually on the Apple Watch, an exception to the oxygen levels, which you can read on the Series 6. But all in all, if you're looking to get a lower generation series for the Apple Watch, it's definitely worth it, just because this one was $450 for the GPS version, and there's really not a difference. I only got a new one because this one was old and it actually doesn't turn on, so I had to get a new one. But I could have just chosen to fix this. I just thought this would be a better investment, and now I don't really know if it was. For those of you who are wondering, this is the Series 6 space gray aluminum case, the 44mm, and the band is white. So we are going to unbox this really quick. If you guys did get the new Apple Watch or have an old Apple Watch, let me know in the comments down below how you like it. When you interact with my videos, it really does help my channel grow. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want. And with all that being said, I do answer every single comment, so if you want to chat, it's a good way to chat with me, and let's get into this unboxing. So like I said, I do have this old Series 4 Apple Watch, and again, if you were someone who wanted to get an Apple Watch but didn't want to spend $450, I recommend getting an older one, just because there's not really a difference unless you want that oxygen level to be read on the Series 6. With all that being said, let's just start unboxing. I'm like so excited to do this. So I went and picked it up yesterday because I didn't want to wait for it to come online, so I was just so excited to actually pick it up. So I'm just gonna unbox it and we will get right into it. All right. So right off the bat, when I take it out of the little box, it comes with two little boxes, and the first one that I'm going to open, I guess, will be this little box. All right, for the satisfying part. Okay, that was not that satisfying because it's not an eye mask. Okay, I think this is the band. Yeah. All right, so in this box, the little pamphlet came with it. And then I think this is the band. Yeah, so this is the white little Apple Watch band. I think this is in the size medium large. Okay, so they give you two sizes. I see how it works now. So they have a small medium band that looks like this, and this is the sport band. I wanted to get it in the color white just because my other one is black, so if I wanted to switch them out every now and then, I could. And then they also gave me the medium large band. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use because I don't like it to be too tight around my wrist, so I will definitely have to figure this out. And this one goes with the medium large band as well. I really like the feeling of these bands. I just feel like it's a nice material to work out in because it's like something that won't irritate the skin, if that makes sense. And then it tells you how to put the Apple Watch band on the Apple Watch. I don't know about you guys, but in the beginning I had such a hard time trying to figure out how to do this, so I really do appreciate them telling us how to do it. Even though I know how to do it now, I feel like for first timers it's a good thing to actually know what you're doing by them telling you. All right, so we are going to move on to the next satisfying part, which is the actual watch. Other side. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing that comes in the little Apple Watch pamphlet is this little guide, I guess, on how to set up the Apple Watch, how to turn it on, how to set up watch face, how to do digital crown, and how to work the side buttons, which I may need a refresher on that because I wasn't a huge Apple Watch person just because mine was broken. And then it of course comes with the charger. This is a little circle charger. For those of you who don't know, this is how you actually charge the watch. All you have to do is take the little watch out and place it on the charger, and it sticks like that, and then it will charge. But I'm hoping it comes with a charge so I don't have to charge it in the middle of this video, just so I can set it up with you guys, because I personally love setting things up on camera as well when I watch unboxings. All right, so it comes with this charger. It doesn't come with the cube, so I guess I need to use like an iPhone cube or something like that, but that's fine. And then I have the actual watch. Now, I'm so excited to look at this, even though I know that there's not really much of a difference because the only thing that's different is the oxygen levels. I think it's still cute and fun to unbox. So this is the actual watch, the Series 6, and I mean, when you're comparing them together, other than it being a tad bigger, there is nothing different, so that's nice. But here we go. So let's put on the, I guess we'll do the small band for now and see how that works. So literally all you're going to do for these bands is you are just going to slide it in the little section for the band, and then it stays on. So I'm going to show you guys again. And I don't know why the Apple Watch is turning on. I think I clicked a button, but I guess it's fine. All right, so you're gonna do the same thing for this side over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but you're just sliding it on, and then it makes the Apple Watch, which is awesome. Okay, so when I turn it on, it's just saying Apple Watch to iPhone, if you guys can see. I don't really know what that means. I'm assuming that means I need my iPhone. Bring your Apple Watch near your iPhone. Okay, so I'm doing that right now. And then this little thing pops up and it says Apple Watch, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. So I'm gonna hit continue. And then it brings me into a software update. So I'm assuming I have to update a software, which this took forever last time. So I might pause this video and come back if I have to, because that's quite annoying. All right, so a little thing came up on the Apple Watch that said enter the 6-digit code displayed on your screen. So I just did that, and now the Apple Watch looks like this. So I guess it's still pairing because everything is loading. It wasn't working to do it just through my phone, so I just hit set up manually, and I actually just clicked what Apple Watch this was in the settings, and then I just held the little Apple Watch up to the camera, which it told me to do, and then it like read it and it gave me a code to put into my phone, and now it says your Apple Watch is paired. So I'm gonna click right here, set up as new Apple Watch, and it says which wrist are you going to wear it on. So I'm gonna wear it on my right, just because when I work out I wear my heart rate monitor on my left. So I'm gonna click right, and then it says digital crown orientation. Select a side for the digital crown. I guess I'll just do the top instead of the bottom, so it looks like that. And I'm gonna hit continue, and then it's just asking me to agree to some terms, and it says shared settings. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhones for location. So I'm just gonna click OK. And then it says bold text size, so I can kind of switch the bold text size on the watch, if you guys can see, but I'm just gonna hit continue for now because I don't really want to change it. And now it's asking me to create a password. I don't really want a password for my Apple Watch, so I'm just gonna turn it off for now. And this is the blood oxygen level thing that was different that I was telling you guys. So it says you can use the blood oxygen app to click your blood oxygen levels. It can also measure levels throughout the day. I'm gonna enable it just because it is new, and that's the whole purpose of getting the new one, I guess. So I enabled it. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. I'm just gonna hit continue. Emergency SOS, we're just gonna hit continue. Clock faces, so I'm gonna hit continue. The apps that you choose to install, and it says your Apple Watch is syncing. So it looks like this right now, and we will wait until it actually syncs. All right, so it just finished setting up. It says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. So for those of you who don't know, that's this little button right here. So you're just gonna click it, and it makes that little sound, and then it brings you to this. So this is the face of the watch. For right now, I'm not gonna customize it just because it does take me a while to figure out how I want everything to look, but this is how it actually looks, and I am obsessed with it. I think it looks so cute, even though it's very similar to the other one. I do think it's very cute. And then on your phone, it does say welcome to the Apple Watch. You're gonna hit okay, and then it gives you all these little settings to customize your phone. I mean, I guess I'll screen record just to show you all how you would do it. So when you're on your Apple Watch, you're going to click app view, and this is how you can actually view your app. So I like it in the grid view. Some people like it in the list view, or some people like to arrange it themselves, but this is how it looks, just for anyone who is wondering. I forgot I was screen recording so you guys can see. Then I am going to go into the dock. Now the dock is everything that is in your apps. So you have activity, heart rate, workout, and that's basically what I use the Apple Watch for. I really like it for workouts, so that's the main reason why I like it. And then the next thing is that you can adjust your brightness, you could adjust your sounds, you could adjust your password, your privacy, the Siri, accessibility, everything like that. And then down here we have the blood oxygen level. So this is enabled, and then I guess throughout the day when it's on your arm, it just continuously tells you what your blood oxygen level is, which I guess is pretty cool. Then I'm gonna go into face gallery. Now this is how you choose all the little faces you want to show up on your screen. So they have all different tabs. They have new watch iOS, so I guess this is just new features that they have. I like how they added an artist tab. Then they have activity, the artist ones again. They have astronomy, they have breathe, which I really like breathe because it reminds you that it's important to breathe and take a breath. And yeah, they have all different ones that I personally really like, but for now I'm just going to leave it alone because I want to actually be able to set it up when I have time. But that is about everything that comes with the Apple Watch. There's nothing really to show other than that. I really like this Apple Watch and I am actually going to wear it to the gym right now. If you guys did end up liking this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And with all that being said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you think the Apple Watch Series 6 is worth it rather than the Apple Watch Series 4 or a later one. Please let me know down below. I'm genuinely curious. And with all that being said, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!